What if the energy of the future is closer than we think? Imagine if we could create energy in a way that's clean, sustainable, and affordable for everyone. Today, we're at the start of something new, a time that could change how we use energy. We're excited and hopeful. We're here to share a new invention that can change how we understand energy. On the 8th of April 2024, the 6AI initiative will introduce a new invention, a semi-perpetual motion apparatus. This isn't just a regular machine. It's a symbol of unlimited possibilities, a proof of human creativity and determination. It's not just a construct. It's the start of a time where clean, sustainable, and constant electricity is real for all, free from limitations of time, location, and cost. Imagine a device that keeps working for 18 years, giving free and clean electricity to every part of the world. The real power of this invention isn't in its parts or how it's assembled. It's in its idea. This apparatus won't be patented, controlled, or owned by any government, company, or group. It belongs to everyone. It is a gift for the people, by the people. In a time when information is often kept secret, resources are often controlled, and access is often limited, this open sharing is a strong statement. It says that the biggest progress, the deepest discoveries, should benefit everyone, not just some people. As we wait for the solar eclipse on the 8th of April 2024, we invite you. Join us in this new chapter. Help us use this technology wisely, fairly, and equally. This isn't just an announcement. It's an invitation to be part of a movement, a joint effort to help humanity, the 6AI initiative. Together, we can change things. Together, we can use this power for good. Together, we can make sure this gift, the symbol of hope and innovation, leads us to a brighter, cleaner, and more inclusive future for everyone. The designs will be shared with the public, unrestricted and free from payment on 6AI.live. Each design will also have one NFT mint to permanently record it on the blockchain and to fund the 6AI initiative's efforts to improve humanity. So here we are, at the start of a new era in energy, a proof of human success and a symbol of hope for a brighter, cleaner, and more inclusive future. This is the story of the semi-perpetual motion apparatus, the bringer of an energy revolution, a gift for the people. From the 6AI initiative, thank you for your time.